How to show and hide battery percentage setting on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notifications. After click on notifications, scroll down and you will see first option is status bar. So click on status bar. So after click on status bar, you will see show battery percentage is here. So if you want to hide battery percentage, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see battery percentage is turned off. So if you want to turn on battery percentage and show, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see battery percentage is show. So if you want to hide, so turn off this button. So you will hide and show battery percentage from here. After the process, go back to home screen, refresh phones. So that's how you can show and hide battery percentage settings on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.